Hello friends, welcome back to our Agile Management series. In today's video, we would talk about two important terms, epic and user stories. First, let's discuss about user stories. The project requirements in a process using Agile methodology can be understood and expressed as user stories. A user story is a simple description of a product requirement in terms of what that requirement must accomplish for whom. Stories describe the work that must be completed to deliver a feature for a product. Stories are the basic unit of communication, planning, and negotiation between the Scrum team, business owners, and the product owner. At a minimum, a user story has four components: title, as a, I want to, so that. So if we take an example, in title we can have something like transfer funds between accounts. In as a, we want to do that as a customer. I want to normally can have something like I should be able to transfer funds and review my accounts so that I can utilize my funds in account for any use. So this is how a normal user story looks like. User stories aren't the only way to describe product requirements. We can also simply make a list of requirements. However, because user stories include a lot of useful information in a simple, compact format, they are very effective at conveying exactly what a requirement needs to do. The big benefit comes in when the development team starts to create and test requirements. The development team members know exactly whom they are creating the requirement for, what the requirement should do, and how to double check that requirement satisfies the intention of the requirement. User stories may also include a user story ID, which is like a number to differentiate this user story from other user stories, the user story value and effort estimate. Value is how beneficial a user story may be to the organization creating that product. Effort is the ease or difficulty in creating that user story. Then we have name of the person who thought of the user story. Anyone on the project team can create a user story. Last, one or more acceptance criteria, giving a short description of how the story will be validated. So this was about user stories. Now let's talk about the epics. So what is an epic? Epic is nothing but a very large user story that is eventually broken down into smaller stories. Epics are often used as placeholders for new ideas and related stories to be developed in subsequent sprints. Because of their size, epics are delivered over multiple iterations. So that's all for now, and that's the definition of an epic and a user story. We will keep talking more on this. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.